Think a real African safari is out of your reach? Think again. Many believe you need a huge budget for this adventure. Expensive lodges, private guides, the works. But Etosha National Park in Namibia proves otherwise. Here you can experience incredible wildlife and wild landscapes without breaking the bank. Your safari story starts now. Welcome to Etosha. The adventure starts before sunrise. Be at the park gate as it opens. Early morning is when animals are most active, and Etosha's entry fees are surprisingly affordable. Pay per person and per vehicle, perfect for a group of friends. Rent a car in Aucho or Windhoek. You don't need a 4x4 in the dry season. Before entering, stock up on water, snacks, and breakfast supplies at a supermarket. A flask of coffee and rusks at a viewpoint. The perfect safari breakfast. Once inside, drive slowly. The slower you go, the more you'll see. Keep your windows down and listen for the bush's sounds. Head to waterholes like Okauquejo or Gemsbokvlakte for early animal activity. Giraffes, zebras, wildebeest, and springbok all start their day here. Wildlife watching is a waiting game. Patience pays off. Turn off your engine at good spots to save fuel and keep animals comfortable. Use binoculars to scan the horizon. You'll be amazed at what you spot. The morning is about soaking in the atmosphere and the thrill of the unknown. Every corner could reveal a new surprise. A hyena, kudu, or rhino. This is the magic hour in Etosha. Make the most of it. Your self-drive adventure is just beginning. The bush is waking up. Are you ready? Let's see what the morning brings. The wild awaits. Start your engine and go. Etosha's sunrise is unforgettable. As the sun rises, so does the heat. Animals seek shade, but waterholes become the main stage. Move from one waterhole to the next. They're the social hubs of Etosha. Grab a park map to find the best spots. Halali, Goas, and Rietfontein are midday favorites. Watch elephants splash, herds gather, and drama unfold, all from your parked car. This is the perfect time for a budget-friendly picnic. Find a designated, fenced picnic spot. Olifantsbad is a great choice. Unpack your cooler sandwiches, fruit, cold drinks. Lunch with a view of zebras and springbok beats any restaurant. Stay hydrated. The Namibian sun is powerful. Use this time to plan your afternoon route. Maybe you'll drive along the shimmering Etosha Pan, watching for animals crossing the salt flats. The midday hours aren't for giving up. They're for letting the animals come to you. Be patient, be smart, and enjoy the show. This is the heart of Etosha's daily rhythm. Your picnic is part of the adventure. Every waterhole tells a story. Let's see what happens next. Early afternoon is the hottest. Time to rest and recharge. Head to a main camp like Okauquejo, Halali, or Namutoni. Campsites are affordable and offer a true Etosha experience. Even if not staying overnight, you can often use camp facilities for a small fee. Take a dip in the pool to cool off and wash away the dust. Connect with other travelers. Share stories and tips on recent sightings. Check the sightings board. You might get a hot tip on a pride of lions. Use this downtime to clean your camera, charge batteries, and prep for the evening drive. If camping, set up your tent in the shade now. Stay organized for a smoother adventure. Wildlife sometimes wanders into camp. Keep your eyes open for mongooses and birds. Some camps have their own water holes. Watch animals from the safety of camp. Even while relaxing, the adventure continues. Etosha's camps are part of the magic. Rest up. The best is yet to come. Evening in the bush is calling. As the sun dips, the bush comes alive again. This is the golden hour. Animals become active and predators prepare for the night. Head out for your evening game drive. This is prime time for big cats and stunning photos. Plan your route to return before camp gates close at sunset. Target waterholes known for lion and leopard activity. Ask around for recent sightings. Drive slowly, scan the trees and grass, and be patient. The evening light is perfect for photography. Animals glow in the warm colors. Wait at a promising spot. The drama will come to you. You might see a jackal, a herd of elephants, or even a leopard at dusk. The sounds of the bush change. Birds and insects create an evening chorus. As the sun sets, start heading back. Animals are often on the move at dusk. Watch for glowing eyes in your headlights. Arrive at the camp gate with time to spare. The feeling of returning after a day of exploration is unbeatable. Your self-drive adventure is a success. The day's not over yet. Night brings new surprises. Let's see what the darkness reveals. Back in camp, the adventure continues at the floodlit waterholes. Okakweo and Halali camps offer front-row seats to nocturnal wildlife. Watch black rhinos, elephants, and even lions come to drink under the cover of darkness. The floodlights create a magical stage. Every visit is different. Sit with fellow travelers, share whispers of excitement, and enjoy the sense of community. Bring binoculars and a warm drink. This is a peaceful, thrilling way to end your day. No need for expensive night drives. The best show is right here. Listen for owls and nightjars, watch hyenas skulk, and see the drama unfold. The camp waterholes are Etosha's secret weapon for budget travelers. Hours can pass in a blink as you watch the wild, secret nightlife. This is the ultimate budget safari experience. The night belongs to the animals and to you. Stay as long as you like. Tomorrow brings new adventures. After the waterhole, it's time for dinner, African style. Every campsite has a braai area. Grill your own meal over a fire. Stock up on supplies before entering the park. Sausages, steaks, veggies. Camp stores sell firewood, but it's cheaper to buy in town. If you're not up for a braai, use the communal kitchen for a simple meal. Cooking outdoors is part of the adventure. Share tips and stories with fellow travelers. No fancy restaurant needed, just good food and good company. As you eat, look up. The stars above Etosha are breathtaking. The Milky Way stretches across the sky, constellations and shooting stars everywhere. The night sky is a humbling reminder of nature's beauty. Sitting by the fire, full and content, you'll feel deeply connected to the wild. This is the reward of a budget safari. The bush, the stars, and your own campfire feast. Nothing else compares. As your day in Etosha ends, remember, a safari doesn't have to be expensive. Smart planning, self-driving, and camping bring you closer to the wild. The memories, lions roaring, giraffes drinking, campfire meals, will last a lifetime. Etosha rewards patience and curiosity with unforgettable moments. The real riches are in the experiences you collect. Every day is different, every waterhole a new story. The wild heart of Namibia is waiting for you. Start planning, pack your bags, and embrace the adventure. Share your own tips and stories in the comments below. Keep exploring. Safari is for everyone. The wild is calling.